Thank you for stopping by Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing forecast information for the northern mid-Atlantic 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the daily video forecast discussion for this Tuesday, September 2nd, 2014. It's a humid air mass in place this morning with a little bit of fog and haze across the region. It's quite humid. Temperatures are in the upper 60s and low 70s with the dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s, and we're on our way up to around 90 in many areas away from the coast during this afternoon. Visible paths of the satellite this morning shows mostly clear skies, a few broken high clouds around the region, some surface fog and haze as well. And the atmosphere is really beginning to moisten up to our west as we have a disturbance here in the upper trough and cold front that will be approaching our region rapidly during tonight. Large-scale eastern look at the radar composite today. We find showers and strong thunderstorms entering the upper Midwest and Ohio. These showers and thunderstorms will be approaching our region during later this afternoon and tonight. They may tend to weaken a little bit as they move through the region during tonight, but any shower or thunderstorm activity is going to produce some very moderate to heavy pockets of rain, some lightning, small hail, and wind gust as well. And take a look at the latest radar here. As we move closer, some of these showers and thunderstorms will be making their way east and weakening a little bit, but the heating of the day and a prefrontal surface trough is going to initiate convection to our west this afternoon and then moving through the region during tonight. Pollen continues to be high in the medium to high side today right through Friday, lowering into the moderate side with a few showers and lower temperatures on Saturday. Ragweed, chenopod's, and grasses are still the predominant pollens broadcasting. We don't have any air, land, or sea watches or warnings in New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metropolitan area. We do have Tropical Storm Dolly, which was named overnight. Dolly is strengthening now. Its wind speeds about 45 miles an hour, central pressure about 1,007 millibars, probably going to make its way into Mexico over the next couple of days. And meanwhile, we have an invest in the eastern Pacific, which is developing too with a cluster of showers and thunderstorms moving in towards the northwest. Here's the very latest on Dolly right now. First of all, a tropical storm warning is now in effect for portions of Tupan and Barra El Quetzal. I can't pronounce that correctly. In Mexico, tropical storm warning means that tropical storm conditions are expected somewhere within the warning area. As of 4 a.m., tropical storm Dolly was located near 22.6 north and longitude 94.8 west. Dolly is moving toward the northwest at 13 miles an hour. This motion expected to continue this morning. A turn toward the west-northwest expected this afternoon. And on this track, the center of Dolly will approach the coast of Mexico within the warning area by tonight and then move inland by tomorrow morning. Maximum sustained winds are 45 miles an hour with higher gusts, and some strengthening is still forecast over the next 24 hours until Dolly makes landfall. Rainfall expected anywhere from 3 to 6 inches and isolated maximum amounts of 10 inches across southern areas there in northern Veracruz and eastern San Luis Potosi, Mexico through Wednesday evening. This rainfall could cause life-threatening flash floods and mudslides in areas of mountainous terrain. Tropical storm conditions are expected within the warned area by tonight. And conditions on the aviational weather deck are improving. We have a little bit of IFR and LIFR across the region. Outside of that, VFR conditions, and the main thing for today will be basically VFR. There will be a few showers and thunderstorms that develop west of Philadelphia, probably around Reading and Allentown. That will be included in the terminal area forecast for these areas. And then the winds will become southwesterly and increase to 10 to 15 knots during midday. Some local gusts up to 20 knots possible. Tonight, a frontal boundary will move through with some showers and thunderstorms arriving from the west, which may tend to diminish as they make their way eastward. A wind shift to the northwest anticipated with convection, and also the front moves through. MVFR ceilings and visibilities will lower to IFR and possibly with any shower or thunderstorm that moves through. Otherwise, VFR conditions outside of that. And there is a chance for some local dense fog again late tonight as the clouds thin and the winds drop off with the low-level moisture remaining. The outlook for Wednesday through Friday, VFR. Saturday, MVFR to IFR restrictions possible and any strong shower and thunderstorm activity during the afternoon and evening hours. Right now outside of Newark, it's 76 degrees, dew point 74, humidity soupy 94%, the wind is southwest at 5. A few clouds at about 1,500 and also at 25,000, 15,000 and 25,000, and basically VFR right now. It's Philadelphia 76, dew point 71, humidity 85%, the wind is southwest at 9. A few clouds at 11,000, 20,000 and 30,000 feet, VFR conditions in place. Google Earth stream analysis this morning shows our high pressure off the east coast pumping in a southwesterly flow across the region. It's our front and system well to our north and west, and a cold front moving through with showers and thunderstorms now across the upper Midwest into the Ohio River Valley, and all of this is going to be moving in to our region during tonight. NAMWRF composite reflectivity from Penn State's eWall site. Clouds and sunshine today. Warm and humid temperatures, upper 80s to low 90s across the interior and urban areas. A little cooler right along the immediate coast, but not by much. Then the trough axis moves through with the cold front during tonight and tomorrow morning. Convection will tend to weaken a little bit as it approaches the north and to the south of the region, but a few clusters of these thunderstorms move through with heavy downpours, small hail, lightning, and obviously a little localized flooding and wind damage as that trough moves through. And then clearing skies for tomorrow morning. But tomorrow, still, even though the winds shift around to the west, northwest, and we get rid of a little fog in the morning, temperatures are still going to be in the mid to upper 80s, but it will start feeling a little bit more comfortable as the dew points begin to dry out during the afternoon hours, and then really just fair weather with some scattered cloud cover around, and temperatures, believe it or not, in the mid and upper 80s throughout most of the week, right through Friday. GFS maps into motion from Next Generation Weather Lab at the College of DuPage. Here comes the showers and thunderstorms as they move through the region during tonight. It could be locally heavy downpours, some strong winds and hail, and vivid lightning with any of these strong thunderstorms. Will tend to weaken as the trough axis moves off the coast, high pressure building in across the region. The old frontal boundary remains to our south. High pressure continues to influence our weather into Thursday and Friday with temperatures running in the 80s, a very comfortable air mass in place, and the winds turn more to the southwest during the afternoon on Friday, pumping in more moisture and humidity. And then another strong cold front will be approaching the region probably by Saturday morning. And as that front moves through, heavy showers and thunderstorms will be populating the grids and moving through the region once again by Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. And then high pressure builds in once again during Saturday night, Sunday, and Monday, with much cooler air mass in place and temperatures dropping back down to 80 degrees or below. And we'll find temperatures in the upper 70s with a pleasant air mass in place by this time next week. So no matter where you're going today, be careful out there. It's hazy, hot, and humid, obviously, and you need to be hydrating yourself. Obviously, if you're back in schools, hopefully a lot of those rooms have air conditioners because they are going to need the air conditioner today, probably tomorrow, probably a good bet on Thursday and Friday as well. But definitely keep yourself hydrated today.